Varsity Tutors helped me get my dream goal of scoring a 36 on the ACT, and I don't think I would have gotten it without them. I really love learning to learn, and our class really opened up the opportunity to learn, focus on using the strategies that would help you and not using the ones that maybe didn't help you. So Varsity Tutors is really helpful because they really taught a lot of the rules that are official and the unofficial rules, the little strategies that help you kind of game the test and perform as you'd like to. I have friends who say all kinds of things like, oh, I think going with my gut's the best answer, or I think if you don't know, guess C. And while those strategies can work, a lot of the times it's better to have an intentional strategy to figure out how to solve the problems that you're not sure about. First time I took the ACT, I really kind of went in, okay, let's just figure out how I can do. I've taken a couple practice tests. We're just going to go after this and see what's the best we can do. And it went okay. I scored fairly well, but this time I just came into the test very relaxed and very sure of myself. Varsity Tutors has been awesome because it really just opened up the idea that you can break down and solve anything through using some different strategies and going at it from different angles. And so just knowing that anything you're confronting, anything you're facing can be broken down into little segments, that the big monster looks a little more defeatable.